Hi, this is Greg from TimberSeal. We're doing a prep and repaint on a home exterior out here. I wanted to walk you through a 5-step process in getting the house to look like new again. Step 1 is the prep and the repair. We're going to come in and actually take care of any kind of repairs on the home exterior, button down any trim that may be loose, replace any damaged cedar siding. Step number 2, the crew comes out and takes care of any kind of wash work. Our goal is to get the exterior of the home clean and prepared for the finish coat. We want to take care of any kind of mold and mildew issues on the surface and prepare the surface so we can get it nice and dry, nice and clean to go ahead and get the finish coat applied. Step number 3, we're coming through taking care of the weather sealant that is caulking around your windows, doors, and trim. Crews will come through and actually apply a sealant around the perimeters so we can go ahead and weatherproof those areas and not allow rain to intrude into the window sills, doors, frames, etc. Step number 4 is prep on the exterior for the paint finish coat. At that point, we will come in and go ahead and prep the exterior, plastic tape, protect the surroundings, get the finish coat ready to apply, and start cutting in the windows, door frames, soffit lines, and do a 2-coat application of Sherwin-Williams super paint to the exterior in your chosen color. Step number 5 is in the finish details. Cleanup, general cleanup around the perimeter of the house. Any kind of touch-ups are done, getting the exterior as it was before we arrived, outside of the new colors and color scheme on the home exterior. We do provide free color consultation on the exteriors. We can work with you and your family to come together with a color combination that suits your lifestyle landscaping and beautifies the exterior home.